How to copy and paste photo edits with iOS 16. If you have multiple photos that you want to edit in the same way, or if you've made changes to one photo that you want to replicate in other photos, use the new Copy and Paste Edits tools in iOS 16. Follow this step-by-step guide to copy and paste edits inside the iOS Photos app. 1. Select the first photo you want to use and tap Edit at the top. 2. Apply your edits. You can only copy and paste edits from the Adjustment and Filter tools. You can't copy crop edits, markups, or angle adjustments. But between Adjust and Filters, there's plenty to choose from: Auto, Exposure, Brilliance, Highlights, Shadows, Contrast, Brightness, Black Point, Saturation, Vibrance, Warmth, and all of the photo app filters. 3. Copy your edits. With your edits complete, it's time to copy and paste them onto a new photo. Copy the edits by tapping on the three-dot icon at the top right corner of the screen. When a window at the bottom of the screen pops up, tap Copy Edits. 4. Choose the photo where you want to paste edits. 5. Tap the three-dot icon again. A window should pop up from the bottom giving you the option to copy and paste. Tap Paste Edits. Watch the edits take effect and hit Done. And there you have it. Easy photo editing in a few quick steps. Thank you for watching video. I hope this video will be helpful for you.